was intrigued by your explanation of the hail and the size that we saw. And
Huge.
You're right. I was trying to remember back. I don't remember anything that severe.
1.5 inch.
Yeah.
That we can get that. But this, we were talking last Thursday about the rain chance we were anticipating into Saturday night. We talked about this big vortex is what it was, piece of energy coming in from the north. That brought in some cooler air aloft, which basically lowered the freeze level of the atmosphere and allowed those strong updrafts to send rain into freezing air over and over and over, which is why we got the massive hail. Another aspect of the storm Saturday night, this was captured on video out of Taft around 6:40. It's something called a gust NATO. So those 70-mile-per-hour winds that blew in with the storms created this little surface-based vortex, and it was interacting with the ground, picking up some debris, but this was not in conjunction with the thunderstorm itself. Again, called a gust NATO. It looks just like a tornado, but meteorologically it's a different process, but you can see that little debris funnel that was happening with that feature in Taft Saturday at about 6:40. So great footage there. Unfortunately, that came in with a lot of damage, but you know, that's behind us now. This week does look fairly quiet. It's going to be mainly sunny, warm, and humid all week long. Not summertime level humid, but a little more humidity each day. Right now, the dew point is close to 50. We've got 75 beautiful degrees out at the airport. And again, Texas, very quiet right now. Hardly a cloud throughout the state. This high slides a little more to the east Tuesday, Wednesday, and into the weekend. We're going to be watching really two systems that'll be approaching us. The first of which will be a tease. It's not going to make it here. This one gets through about the hill country Friday and into Saturday, but doesn't get into South Texas. So we are going to be quite warm Friday and Saturday. I think highs could easily top out right around 90 degrees both of those days. But this front will make it through. Looks like Sunday in the afternoon sometime. Looks like a dry passage right now. It does drop temps a little bit and it brings humidity down, but it doesn't look like an overly strong front at this point. So up near 90 Friday, Saturday. There's that drop Sunday into Monday with the passage of our next cold front. Humidity also builds day to day. Comfy tomorrow, but into the humid category Wednesday. Dew points in the mid-60s through the weekend, and then we drop them with this next front coming in. So near 60 tonight, partly cloudy and mild. The light southeast breeze coming in less than 10. 82 tomorrow under a blend of sun and clouds. Mild to warm on the temperatures. If you're going out on the water, it's going to be a great day. Bays will be smooth. Wind coming in 5 to 10 knots out of the southeast. Nearly full moon. That'll be full on November the 5th on Wednesday. Mid-80s that day, and on Thursday we flirt with 90 Friday and Saturday. That's about 10 degrees above the seasonal average for the date. And there's that cold front coming in on Sunday, bringing us back down to more seasonal levels for early next week.
All righty. Alan, thanks so much. Well, of course, it is a big week, right? We have Election Day tomorrow.
Okay,
We also have Day of Giving happening tomorrow. It is, and in which multiple nonprofits are looking for your support.